Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 Mercedes-Benz SL 550. This one's a Mars Red. Underneath it's a 4.7 V8 twin turbo with 429 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch split 5-spoke alloy wheels. Beige leather interior with a burl walnut wood trim. SL 550 badging, power liftgate, retractable hardtop, clean set of floor mats, premium one package, driver assistance package with Distronic Plus with pre-safe braking, memory seats, Harman Kardon sound system, illuminated door sills, steering wheel controls, burl walnut and leather steering wheel, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with Parktronic with a rear view backup camera and sensors, hard keys for the radio and media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climb controls, turn wheel for the infotainment center, sports and comfort suspension, R button for the retractable hardtop. This SL 550 has 16,699 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Mercedes-Benz SL 550, visit us at feldmanimports.com.